do you see gospel industry and secular music in Nigeria?
I don't know about secular music. I focus on my thing. I think gospel music is needed. Gospel is good news. So, gospel is inspiring. Gospel is lifting. And in a time of our world, where we are in the world right now, everyone needs the gospel. Everyone needs the good news. The only solution I always say to the trouble of men, or wherever it is Jesus, and the gospel brings you Jesus, and that's what it's all about. So it's needed, it's relevant all around the world. It is. Every collaboration is different. I've collaborated with several people, and every collaboration is different, and it keeps getting better. And so each one of them have a special place in my heart. So I would say this is the best. The church I want to start in Uganda?
Yes.
Well, I don't know about that. I've not been informed.
Okay.
I haven't been informed, but we have this August Gem. It's a sort of um, a mentoring platform for young people. And I see a lot of young people that ask me questions every time I go. They need direction. They need Jesus. And if you're creative, if you're very good in arts in different ways, young people, old people, whatever you are, we have a platform called the God's Gym platform. And it's a place that I would like to connect with people. Yeah. I'm here on a serious business. That is a business of impartation. And it doesn't mean that Uganda people are amazing people. I've met a lot of Ugandans and they're amazing people, and I always like to connect with them in a different way. And so it's fun, but it's serious business as well. It's serious work. It's still on the works. We were just talking about it a few minutes ago, and it's something that I look forward to doing. Top of my head, I can say, but I know that it's in the works. Anytime that we place a demand on the Spirit of God and what we have in our hearts, remember that the expectations of our hearts will be fulfilled. And I believe that God has gone ahead of us. And it's going to be a night of worship, a night of praise, a night of thanksgiving. I won't even say more. Anytime you praise God with a whole heart, a praise goes ahead of your victory. I've just been told I have a Ugandan name and it will be revealed very soon. So I'm looking forward to it.